What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at my favorite bike of all time.
Yo, everybody's favorite bike. You get mesmerized by looking to the battery box.
This is like, what's that horror movie? This reminds me of like
Every horror movie.
every horror, like Saw. Isn't Jigsaw? Doesn't he use these
got a
things?
little thing like that, like on his head or something.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah, that's it. That's the one. That's the same guy.
This is Jigsaw's bike. It's on both sides. Holy cow, he was trying to...
Oh, we have the front fender for that.
Oh, okay. I'll make note of that.
I'm gonna go grab it. Just stick it like in the...
Dang. So guys, 2005 Honda Shadow 750. It's in rough shape. I'll put it that way. I think it's awesome because it's super rideable. But if you're looking for the best in show bike, this is definitely not your bike. But if you're looking for a rideable cheap bike, then this bike is definitely for you. It's got these matte drag pipes on it. There's the fender for the front fender. Bada bing, bada boom.
It's in great shape because it was not ever on the bike.
It's actually in pretty good shape, yeah, compared to the rest of the bike. This is like Rhino line, so if you're like, yeah, why didn't you wipe that? Because you can't, because it's Rhino line. It's still in pretty good shape. It's got this like stuff on it, but I think it's how he painted it, so you can't really get it off. I tried wiping it off. Sean showed you the front fender, so it's not on here currently. But good thing is the tires look pretty good. Front and back. Tank looks good.
How are you?
Both sides. It's all in pretty good shape.
That's good.
Rear fender, pretty rough. You can see.
Oh, I was wondering if you want to buy it or...
So let's go check it out.
Chip up there. As we move the handlebars, you see it has these like lizard skins, which is supposed to be like baseball bat grip tape or like your lacrosse grip tape or your field hockey grip tape. Well, it's now on your motorcycle as your grips. But it's only got 8,871 miles on it. And here's the kicker. It fires up right away, and it's carbureted. So yes, is it ugly? For sure. Does it have some cosmetic flaws? Absolutely. But is it run perfectly? Yeah. Is it definitely not bad enough that I wouldn't ride it? Absolutely. I mean, it's absolutely not. It's a running bike. The flames, whatever. It's just some cosmetic tweaks, and this bad boy would be looking awesome. Guys, I'm a huge fan of this bike. It's going to be super cheap. 2005 Honda Shadow 750. I have the front fender for it. It's laying down over there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Check out the test drive video on this bike. I'll see you guys later.